We're on board a Lagoon Power Catamaran here in Boca Raton, South Florida, taking a look at a Termodinamica system that has been installed on the vessel.
Having the Termodinamica has been game changer in the sense of we're a charter boat, so we're always off the dock, we're always running. The previous system we had used a lot of power, and compared to this, you know, we can run the AC in the galley if it's really hot underway with the engines on, which is a huge game changer for me, having to be in the galley all day. I get a little breath of cold air and freshness, and I don't have to be sweating all day.
In front of me we have the main controller, but this is basically the master that is able to control the entire system from one place. So you can choose between your various units. As you can see here, we've got a whole bunch. We've got the salon, we've got the master bedroom, master bathroom, starboard cabin, etc., etc. So I can choose any one of these air handlers and adjust the temperature, the fan speed, right from one location. So you don't have to run around to every single bedroom or utility room to go and adjust temperatures and so forth. There are also a number of the features in here, such as alarms that, you know, it's giving us all green lights over here. And this is all useful information for the Termodinamica to, you know, diagnose, troubleshoot and resolve issues from afar. We really love the Termodinamica system, think it's awesome, it does a really great job.
Any problems that we have with this AC system, if I can't figure it out, I just call Jeff or Hunter, and they get on their computers, dial in, and they're like, all right, this is what's going on, you need to do this or that, and we're always up and running. And on top of that, I can actually say we're out on the beach or out at a restaurant or something like that, and I know that it's going to be hot and people are going to want to go take naps in their cabins or something. I can actually dial in to the AC system and turn the levels down and turn on their AC, so when they get to the boat everything's nice and chilly and they're not coming to the boat and sweating for that first hour while it cools down. So it's a pretty cool system.
Being away 6 to 8 months at a time, it's nice to know that no matter what, our backs are covered while we're gone.
Alright, we are in the starboard engine room on the Lagoon Power Cat, taking a look at the Termodinamica system. We have one of the main units supplying gas to a bunch of aircon units on board. This is the unit that is supplying all the gas to the handlers throughout the boat. On this vessel there's 2 of these installed. As you can see, this is taking raw water and utilizing that to create the cooling for the air handlers.
During crossings, sometimes we have, you know, a couple hour crossings. Instead of having to run our generator at the same time that we're running our engines, we can fully run the AC system off of our engines, which is incredible. And then it's just a lot less wear and tear on our generator. The generator doesn't have to work as hard, so that's basically saving fuel right there. We're really excited for the future. We plan on doing some solar upgrades, and from what I've been talking to the guys at Termodinamica, we'll be able to fully run this AC system off of the solar, which is pretty cool.